Hi, in front of me I have FOSSIL Q Marshal, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the power button or tap on the screen. Now, to open the watch face menu, we need to swipe left or right on the current watch face, like this, or left also works, like this. After you open the watch face menu, you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like, and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also edit some watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu, and you have this settings icon under them. Simply tap on it. You need to be quick enough, like this. And here we can, for example, tap on style and select the style of the watch face, for example this one. And once you're done, simply swipe right. As you can see, the settings changed. You can also open the watch face menu, tap on see more watch faces right here. Oh, my bad. You need to be quicker because this menu closes itself quite quickly. And here we have the list of watch faces we can add to the watch face menu list. For example, let's tap on this one to add it. As you can see, it appeared in the watch face menu, and here we can tap on it to apply it. You can also remove the watch faces from this list by simply swiping up on them, like this. And lastly, you can also change the watch faces by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Wear OS app on our phone. In the app, we have a watch faces category. We can tap on more right here to open the whole list. Find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it on your watch. This one requires the location apparently, so let's allow it. Oh, my bad. And you can simply select any watch face on this list to apply it on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.